What's going on, guys? In this video in particular, I'm going to be unboxing the VeGue VWGO. So I'm really excited about this microphone in particular because it's wireless, it's lavalier. You can hook it onto your shirt, you can connect it to your phone, your DSLR, your computer, your camcorder, a bunch of different devices wirelessly up to 230 feet. Okay, that's insane. So we're going to test out all these different features, see what this microphone is all about and whether or not you guys might be interested in. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so right off the bat, just in terms of the packaging itself, I mean, it's just your traditional box. There's nothing like crazy special about it, which is totally fine. It's just the box, okay? Just keep in mind, if you do have an iPhone, you are going to need that little white extender, which is right here, if you want to actually hook it up to an iPhone. Otherwise, they do provide you with the proper cords to plug into everything else. Alright, pull this out. It's going to come in this nice hard shell case, as you can see right here. So it just easily unzips, and then look at that, you guys. It comes with the transmitter and the receiver, and then a bunch of the cords that you need as well. Alright, so we have the two cords that they give you. So this is the TRS cord, and then this is the TRRS cord. A couple of things that you can notice the differences: they do provide kind of a nice little sticky note there showing the camera. So this is going to go with the DSLR, camcorder, GoPro, and computer. But then this one shows the iPhone. So if you have a smartphone or an iPhone or an iPad, you would want to use this cord right here. All right. And then they do provide a windbreaker cover if you do need it. And you would just put that straight on the top of the receiver right here, so you put it straight on top. All right, and then lastly, what we have here is the charging cable. So as long as you have a way to plug in a USB type A into your computer or a brick into an outlet, you can charge these devices. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on this power right here, and then you're going to see a flashing blue light. Then what you're going to do is you're going to turn on this one right here. And now when they stop flashing and they're solid, that means they are connected to each other. So I got the receiver, got the transmitter, they're connected. This is going to go into, the transmitter is going to get connected to your phone, and then the receiver is what you can clip on yourself. All right, so I got the receiver. I'm going to just clip this on right now. So I'm going to plug this in to your phone. Okay. And then I'm going to take the one that says phone. It looks like an iPhone even on this picture, which is nice. Then I'm going to plug this in. So this end goes into here. All right, like so. So you want to plug in this piece right into this hole with the headphone jack. Okay. And now it should be all set. So now we can actually test to see how my voice sounds. This is how the audio would be sounding right now. How does this audio sound to you guys? Does it sound crisp? Does it sound clear? Does it sound bad? I won't know until I listen back to it exactly, but this is how it would sound if it was clipped right on your shirt right here. This is it farther away if you want to hear a little farther away. This is here to the side and to this side, and you want to make sure that you're talking straight into it on this top part right here. So you almost could hold it up right here, but this might sound a little rough. All right, so I'm getting farther away from it. So as you can see, it's all wireless. You know, I mean, I have my headphones on right now, but that's from my other microphone. This microphone requires no cords, and you can clip it on yourself. You can, if you want to, you can put on this lavalier microphone. So let's hear how the lavalier microphone sounds. So right now I am talking into the lavalier microphone. You might see people doing TikToks like this where they're holding the lavalier microphone. You could also clip on the lavalier microphone as well if you wanted to. Alright, so now this is what it sounds like with the windbreaker on. Obviously there's no wind happening right now. I could turn on my fan, but it wouldn't be that much wind. So if you're outside, this would be a great use case for this. Alright, so keep in mind that this microphone will also last up to 4 hours total of working time, and it only takes an hour and a half to charge completely. So that's great. Like if you're out there recording for 4 hours, you don't have to worry about a thing. It will last the full 4 hours, and then you just need an hour and a half to charge it back up. So keep in mind that this product is just under $70, so it's not too bad to get the transmitter, receiver, 2 cords, a charging cord, and you also get a wind muffler and a lavalier clip-on if you like this style instead. So for just under $70, it's around $69 exactly. Not a bad price, comes with free shipping. A lot of these wireless lavalier microphones can be a lot more expensive than that, so keep this in mind if you're wanting kind of a more, I wouldn't say budget friendly because $70 is still a lot, but budget friendly in comparison to the competitors that are out there. So if you do like how this wireless lavalier microphone does sound, you may want to consider it as a potential purchase for your setup in terms of whatever you may be doing. Now let's see how this audio sounds in comparison to the Shure MV7, which is around a $400 setup altogether. All right, so right now you are listening to the VWGO from VeGue. Now let's listen to the Shure MV7. All right, so now you are listening to the Shure MV7 microphone. Obviously, this microphone may sound a lot better just because of how much more expensive it is. But if you don't notice much of a difference and you want a wireless option where you can be very flexible and on the go, also in a nice, sturdy, and compact case, the VeGue VWGO may be the option for you. So let me know what you guys thought about the VeGue VWGO in the comments down below, and if you found this video helpful in particular. If you guys did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe, I greatly appreciate the support. But without further ado, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in future videos. Thanks. Alright you guys, this is what it sounds like pretty dang far away. Alright, I had to test out the distance, so if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. I hope you guys do subscribe and look forward to more unboxing videos. And if you guys can hear me, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks, and have a good day. Peace.